In this video, we're going to talk about bar charts. Let's take a look at bar charts. Bar charts seem simple, but they are interesting because they reveal something subtle about plots. Consider a basic chart drawn with GeoMBar. We'll look at the following chart, which is part of the Diamonds dataset. So first, let's load our tidyverse. Next, let's load let's take a look at the ggplot2. We're going to take a look at the Diamonds dataset. The Diamonds dataset contains information about 54,000 diamonds, including the price, the carat, the clarity, and the cut of each diamond. The chart below, which we'll draw now, shows the diamonds are available with high quality cuts that there are more diamonds available with high quality cuts than low quality cuts. So let's take a look at equals diamonds. GeoMBar mapping equals AES x equals cut. So we have a lot more ideal cut diamonds than fair cut diamonds. On the x-axis, the chart displays cut, a variable from the Diamonds dataset. On the y-axis, it displays a count, but a count is not a variable in the diamonds. Where does this count come from? Many graphs, like scatter plots, plot the raw data from the values of the dataset. Other graphs, like bar chart, calculate new values to a plot. Bar charts, histograms, and frequency polygons bin your data and then plot bin counts, the number of points that fall in each bin. Smoothers fit a model to your data and then plot the predictions from the model. Box plots compute a robust summary of the distribution. You can learn which stat a geom uses by inspecting the default value from the stat argument. So let's take a look at one of those. So if we type in geom_bar, this shows you the default value for stat is count. So you can scroll down here, you can see that stat, the default value will be count. And if you scroll down further, there's a section called computed variables that tells it computes two new variables, count and prop. So let's take a look for computed variables. So we have count, the number of bins, and prop, the group-wise proportion. These are items we'll use to update or change in the future. So we've had a good introduction to plotting bar charts and understanding how to find the default values of each type of geom. So in this case, the GeoMBar uses a default of count, uses stat count by default. So next we're going to look at some more advanced bar charts and how to bin the data accordingly.